Because Snow Cone is my brethren, you know, my real friend, you know.
Okay.
From 2000, you know. Because the same fully loaded that Matterhorn with, you know, me bus Rice and Peas that year, you know. 2001, you know, Rice and Peas rhythm, you know, me bus it and bus the Sugar Slick and Assassin, you know. To the world I dedicate this song. Wah, 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 wah. And Gunshot Fire, because I like 100 Gunshot Fire for me, you know. I win the juggling round and Matterhorn beat me in the clash, you know. The only person in the juggling round each up beside me is Sky Juice, you know. Drop 2 Warrior King, you know. And get some rotted shot fire for him, you know. But me I lead him. Because I never medley beat him and sink the whole place 2001, you know. Because we go some boop, you know. And we will check it out and link, you know. And me I forgot came on the same 2001 fully loaded Friday. For come back the Sunday. So I dread the yard, I cut the tune, but we cut the Beanie Man from the Tuesday night. Because we have to bleach man Beanie Man the Monday and the Tuesday. But I don't know what happened now. Look like Killer here one little thing. And so me I'm calling a dub. And go do dub with Matterhorn and Earth. So that's our next part too. Because there's so many things to talk. The fully loaded there. When we drop the Rice and Peas and a Gunshot, when we drop the Beanie Man medley. Because the Beanie Man medley like him DJ and let him talk. DJ
Yes,
talk.
yes,
like him
yes,
say,
yes.
You talk about rich, you have your house rich, woman rich, pitney rich, mother rich before you can see rich. I'm going to tell you, when I say them hype, Adonai, when I say them tight, and so them say them fight against prayer, and I fight against dread, and I fight against Adonai. But the boy can't stop me. When I beg down, how we done that? The dub that the wicked, one of the wickedest dub.
Yes,
Because every time him
yes.
do a song, him stop and talk. Hold on there. So in the last when the rhythm done and start back, him call Bunty name. And call Firelinks name and Matterhorn name. We go with that part there. But when it goes to me and Dread say, yo, what is? Feel like Beanie Man with a spike though. That more answer. Beanie Man, you read for spike, man. Because you know, say Adonai, hey, yo, Adonai Sound in future. He like, I say, I give some dub, but me I freak them up. Yo, my youth, Dread go here. Matter look like Bunty go here one different thing. And do all that no business and yeah, with Matterhorn. That's how Matterhorn get the edge. Because when I get to Bunty killer too. And he couldn't beat me. So even a clash, them try to play all, who send them? And he scratch, jump on the turtle, I said, that not a player. Because to a Bunty against me right now, that not a player. For just try what we have. And when we look, we have an ARP and Gringo. And when the clash done, a DJ Karim say, because we don't play Panda Sound, I hit a chip off, I will go for Red Assads. I'm saying, I want to hear Sharon Burke, you give me the first visa of my life. What is lock up yourself for? Oh, no boy in the bigger than Adonai fly this. But a Red Assad stop, so it fly. And so we get that time now, because if we go over there now, we don't. Because the same show there, as a DYCR bossing, and so much thing that Kete drop, on fire. Because the dread link him and tell him when we want it.
Yeah.
And he must say, do it, because the dread will call Elephant phone and a Firelinks on site, you know. I say, oh, yo, you know, I get not shown. Yeah, me I tell you what happened, and then, so we do the DYCR, say, I fire up on a selector who carrying it. Sound name to artists, forget freedom. I fire, and then I fire because the sound before my boat that fully loaded, about 4 sound get boo, you know, before me go up, you know. And then Jimmy Cliff that and him others I call me, you know. And I call on the sound, you know. Once by the time I reach and put on the box, I came on me, I come from straight, you know. I go straight, I fully loaded, I'm gonna be hard, I'll know, you know, I pull everything, then I carry back, you know. So it's when it goes so, and by the time she say, your time, I never circulate all my back out, I can record box, I'm heavy and I work through sand. And think I'm a go so in a full black. I'll be Nike here, my boy, I came on, black and gold. I have my Nike shirt, I'm a do-rag, and walk out. And to the people I'm mad, I buckle left for fling, to the people I'm boo so much sound, I buckle left. And we walk out and say, people, thank you. You know, I'm say, people, we don't know right now, I'm mad, and I almost buckle left for the fling, but I just want to give me a listen here, please. And the place boss, I said, please. People said, Jesus, I have manners. Him said, please. And go listen to me. I'm going to drop the DYCR. And who she go some boss. It's when the DYCR and the whole place boss. The next tune jump on the turntable. Say, you know, the people, mad back right now, ready back. I'm saying, people. So me have a talk name. Me have a rag style.
Yeah.
When me boss. So me, when I go and turn on to dread, I say, what go on? Yo. I saw now we start talking about the turntable. I said, fly that, Schoenberg, and you give me visa, not turntable can't fit the I'm done. Away I do. Fly that. So when he fly now, a spirit said to me, say, turn around back. And say, I'm just going out and say, the man the one knows the girl can't be in the face rag, take out the rag and wipe your face. And gunshot fire. Pow, 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 pow. And people laugh. I said, John, will come the rock style immediately of it. Them time the man used to walk with rag in a back pocket. And I like, no, we pants them get close. And them time they have a man have rag in a back pocket. And I say, take out the rag. The man who knows saying, no, the rare family. The chope your rag now. So when I say chope rag, people are drop on people. Gunshot again. Thump, 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 thump. And the place get wild. You have the place wicked. And them time they know the beat man know have an entry with the dread cut off. Him like him you whip on the CD, but he don't have the entry there again. Like him I say, the selector that who play the tune, and the one we have pass the tune to the selector turntable and feel up that one, and the one we have pass the one that feel up that one, and who plays boss and gunshot fire, and when the beat man would have for the mission of murder, I'm gonna drop the bounty, Chucky and drop two something of the whole show, and me a lead. Go down to the Matterhorn part and me a lead. With about 20,000 people have the whole show week. The same fully loaded, then find the 21 gun. And 21 gun and find and 21 are bad people. I tell you. So it come right back up to, there's so many issues, so many things that Adonai done. I mean, really bust rice and peas. I mean, bust all these artists. Some artists, some not even right now where
you don't even remember.
Come to my brain.
Click here to watch a full episode and don't forget to subscribe.